Lato by Johanna Huck was designed to mimic tranquil, free-flowing summer days. Whenever you crochet and wear this shawl, imagine being in a beautiful cornfield and the wind is tossing your hair and the sun's kissing your face. There's some little cows grazing in the nearby pasture and all is well with the world, except maybe the cat patties. Mer. I get nervous when I try to make a joke. This absolutely gorgeous shawl has these beautiful little wavy sections that looks like the wind coursing through a field. And I love these little structured grid sections. It looks like organized, beautifully planted crops. Now, if I can only get my garden's beds looking so tidy. And I can't forget to mention the tassels because they add that extra little bit of flair. So to make the shawl, you're gonna need 4 contrasting colors. And when I first saw this finished version, my jaw dropped to the floor because I love the colors Johanna chose. They have a little bit of a soft, romantic vintage vibe, which you know I love. We used our limited edition vellum fingering yarn to make this. It's soft and luxurious and it blocks beautifully, so your finished shawl will retain all those gorgeous details. I'm going to be showing you a little miniature version today, so you'll have all the techniques you need to make this shawl. You can download this pattern at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, be sure to sign up for email updates for a weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Also, we are going to be having a crochet along with this beautiful pattern. So if you would love to join us, you could potentially win prizes.
Oh, interesting. It's a combination of fries and prizes?
Friends.
Oh, friends and prizes. You're gonna win prizes?
Also, we are going to be having a crochet along for this pattern. So if you would love to join us, just click the link in the description to get entered. You can make some new crochet friends, potentially win prizes, and just have an absolute blast. Let's start with the beginning edge section. I'm going to start with 37 foundation single crochets. And I've showed you how to work these before, but I will go ahead and show you again. Nice and easy. So start with a slip knot and you're going to begin with a chain 2. Now go ahead and insert your hook into that first chain you made and pull up a loop. Now we're going to create a chain with a yarn over and pull through 1. So that's a chain. Now we're going to create a single crochet by doing a yarn over, pull through 2. Then turn this to the side and that little chain you just created, put your hook under both legs of that and pull up a loop. Now we're going to create another chain with a yarn over, pull through 1. Create a single crochet with a yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to continue repeating that down the side. Insert your hook under both legs of the chain you just created. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 to create a new chain. Yarn over, pull through 2 to create your single crochet. And continue on down. When you get to the end, you're just going to chain 1 and turn. For row 2, you're going to work front post single crochets down your row. So to do that, find the little post of your stitch and wrap your hook around the post and work your single crochet. Jump over to the next one. Here's the little post. Wrap your hook around it and work your single crochet into that. And this is going to create a nice little ridge on the edge of your shawl. So continue all the way down. And when you get down to the final stitch, you're just going to work a single crochet as usual into that, chain 1 and turn. Now let's move on to the aligned V section, which are those beautiful little organized crop rows. So I'm going to show you rows 3, 4, and 11. So to work row 3, I actually need a chain 3 to start this row according to the pattern. So I'm going to do that. And let's go ahead and double crochet into the next stitch. Now we're going to skip 1 and we're going to work a double crochet V into the next stitch. So work a double crochet into that next stitch and go ahead and work another one. So there's your little double crochet V. Chain 1, now you're going to skip 2, boop, boop, and you're going to continue repeating that across your row. So skip 2, double crochet V into the next stitch, 1 and 2, chain 1, skip 2, double crochet V in the next stitch, all the way down your row. Now when you get down to the end, go ahead and finish with your final little double crochet V and your chain 1, but instead of skipping 2, just skip 1 and work a double crochet into the next stitch and into the final stitch. So you have 2 double crochets there on the end, and then just work a chain 3 and turn. For row 4, we're going to double crochet into the next stitch. And you're going to skip that chain 1 space and you're going to work a double crochet V into this double crochet V. So it looks like a little plant coming out of another little plant, like so. Then you're going to chain 1 and you're going to repeat that all the way across. Double crochet V into your next double crochet V. 1, 2, and then chain 1 and keep repeating across. Now when you get down to the end, go ahead and finish your double crochet V and your chain 1. And then you're going to work 2 double crochets into these final 2 stitches. So 1 into this final double crochet and 1 into the turning chain. So you'll have 2 double crochets on the edge there. And then finish off with a chain 3 and turn. So to work row 11, I actually need to start with a chain 1, so I ripped back to that. Now this is a nice and easy row. You're just going to work a single crochet into each stitch and each chain all the way across your row. And when you get down to the end of your row, go ahead and work into that final double crochet and into that final turning chain. And then you can chain 1 and you're good to turn. Now let's learn how to work rows 2, 3, and 4 of the transition. Row 2 of the transition starts with a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 and skip 1 and repeat that down your row. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, all the way down to the end. And when you get to the end, just go ahead and work in that final stitch, chain 1 and turn. For row 3 of the transition, we're going to start with a single crochet and work a single crochet into that chain space as well. Then you can chain 1, skip 1, and then single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the chain space all the way down. And when you get down to the end, you're going to go ahead and work a single crochet into that final stitch. You can chain 1 and turn. For row 4 of the transition, we're going to just single crochet into each stitch and chain 1 space across. So just a single crochet all the way across. Okay, go ahead and finish up your row with a single crochet in that last stitch, chain 1, and turn. We're into the beautiful waves section. So here are rows 3, 4, and 7 for you. So I've gone ahead and changed colors so we can work the wave section. I'm so excited. So row 3, you're going to start with a single crochet. Now here's what you're going to repeat across your row. 3 single crochets. So let's work 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to chain 1 and skip 1 and then work a half double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, triple or treble crochet. Boop, boop. And we're going to do that one again. Chain 1, skip 1, and work a triple crochet into that next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, work a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. So we're working our way back up. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, triple crochet. And let's work that one again. Chain 1, skip 1, triple crochet. Making a little peak of our wave. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets, 2, 3, then you're going to finish off with another single crochet, a chain 1, and turn. For row 4 of the wave section, you're just going to work a single crochet into each stitch across, so in each stitch and each chain. And when you get to the end, just finish off with your final single crochet, a chain 1, and turn. You're actually going to have some different rows here in another color for contrast. I'm just sticking with the same color today, and I actually need a chain 3 to start row 7. So I've gone ahead and done that. For row 7, we're going to start with a triple crochet. So into that next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, work another triple crochet, and this is what you will be repeating across your row. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to find your single crochets are aligned on top of your triple crochets from this row down here. Chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, oops, half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, triple crochet, and we'll do that one again. Chain 1, skip 1, work another triple or treble crochet, chain 1, skip 1, we're going to work a double, chain 1, skip 1, now half double, chain 1, skip 1, 3 single crochets, so again those are aligned on top of our triple crochets from before, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, triple crochet, boop, boop, chain 1, skip 1, triple crochet, and when you get all the way down to the end, you're just going to finish off with a double crochet into your final stitch, a chain 1, and turn. So here we have our little beginning edge section with that nice ridge, our aligned V section, and you're going to have a lot more of those, of course. We've got our little transition, and then we have our beautiful waves which sort of collapse into each other. So with those instructions, you should be good to make this shawl. And if you need help on how to make a tassel, you can watch our video on that. And if you have any questions, thoughts, life ponderings, comment below or send us a message, and we will be happy to help out. Let's make this an amazing year full of fun projects, delicious books, new crafty friends, and happy hearts. And I will see you next week, my friend. Au revoir! Ciao! Adios! Bye!